Sure.
So what time, man? What time do you think it is right now?
Like, probably like 10, 11.
11, it's 12:30.
Oh. 4. Come on.
Are you done?
My balance is not on point.
Balance is on point?
Yeah, like I got ran over by a forklift. My bones are jacked up. I have issues with my feet. Like I can't.
Just after midnight, officers were dispatched to a gas station after employees reported a driver passed out at the pumps. When police arrive, they find a blue Honda still running with a man asleep behind the wheel. What begins as a welfare check quickly raises concerns that the driver may be intoxicated.
Sam, India, door attack on a blue Honda Civic. India Hotel 8, Sam, India.
Sure.
Sir, Officer Fernandez, Kissimmee Police. You mind get out the car for me? What's your name? What was that?
How far away you right in?
Okay, do you mind step out the car for me?
Yeah.
Step out the car. Turn the car off. There you go. Step out the car for me.
But nothing was confirmed as being stolen in the stage.
Just step out the car. Step out the car. There you go. Take the keys out. Just let it go. Step out the car.
They didn't have any.
Dude, step out the car. I'm gonna have to move you out the car. You understand?
Yeah.
Step out the car. Step to the back right here. Here. Come to the back, right here. Where am I right now? You have your ID on you, or is it in the car?
It's in the car.
It's in the car?
I got lifetime offer with the offer.
So what's going on today? Have you been drinking today? How much have you been drinking today?
Not much.
How much? Around how much you think drink today?
Just a drink.
Just one?
Much, yeah.
Do you know that you were sleeping in the car?
No, just a little. I was just getting
What were you getting?
Beverage.
A beverage here?
Yeah, like I was getting the amount.
What time, man? What time do you think it is right now?
Like probably like 10, 11.
11, it's 12:30.
Oh.
Where did you come from?
Orlando, Florida.
Orlando? Where are you headed right now?
Kissimmee, on the borderline of Kissimmee.
You know where you're at right now?
Yes.
Where you at right now?
I'm on Orlando, Kissimmee.
You're in Orlando, Kissimmee?
Yes.
Alright. So, basically from what I'm seeing, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol, or under the influence. Smelling on you, slurring your words, stumbling. Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Yeah.
You're willing to do it? Do you have any medical conditions or anything that will prevent you from making exercises? Any issues with your eyes other than glasses?
No.
Alright. Alright, just stay right here for me. You're just staying with you. I'll be right back. Hey, this car keys are in. Tell him to stand over here before he can't even get in. He can't drive the car anyway. Stay in the car. Stay out the car.
Yeah.
Get out the car. Just stand right here. Lean right here. Right to the back so that way you can't be moving around. Stay with him and then be back.
Huh?
Stay with him and I'll be back. Where are you going? Stay right there. Just stand right there. Thank you. Does he seem like a good line?
You get the lines right there from the store, but great.
That's what I was kind of.
Huh?
So I was kind of debating. I was like,
Yeah, I mean, it's stopped now. It's missing going.
all right.
I'm around the corner from my house.
You don't know where you live though.
What do you mean I don't know where I live?
Do you mind coming to this line right here with me? The yellow line right there. It's right here.
Come on, are you good?
Alright, you see this yellow line right here?
Yes, sir.
Alright, this is the line we're going to use for all the exercises. Do you understand? So I'm going to need you to stand on the line with your feet together. So stand on the line right here.
Power went out, but they
Face-
didn't have any power when they called them.
Alright, so face me. Put your feet together like this.
I don't think he's aware that they're
Closer. Exactly like I'm doing right now. Like touching. Keep your hands to your sides. And I want you to take your glasses off.
I can't see.
No, it's not. This exercise is not really about seeing or walking. It's more just I gotta see your eyes to make sure that you're okay. Put your hands like that to your sides. Just stay like that position until you do so. So that's a movement position. Alright, for this exercise, I want you to look at the light. See the light? I want you to look at the light with your eyes. Your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand?
I don't have any. Thank you.
Look at the dot. Look at the light.
Yes.
You look at the light. Light's over here. Look at it.
I see it.
You're looking at me or not looking at the light? Just look at the light. Look at the light.
Hold on, 1 bigger 20 unit check. 1 bigger 10, 2 bigger 10 unit check. 2 bigger 20 unit check. Yes, please.
Alright, you put your glasses on. For the next exercise, we're going to use this line, same line. So for this one, I want you to put your left foot on the line. Have your left foot on the line. I want you to put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, just like I'm doing right now.
Boss, like, I just got out of work. I'm tired.
I got you, but you smell like alcohol. You smell like alcohol that's coming from your person, all right?
Alright,
And you're
I'm around the corner from my house. I'm going home.
so do you want to do exercises?
No, I'll do it. I'm just saying, like, I'm around the corner from my house. I'm just trying to go home. I work a 16-hour shift. I'm tired. I'm hurting. I'm not trying to say anything. I'm just saying, like,
Are you injured or anything? You're just tired.
I'm just tired, bro.
I got you, but this is. I just want to see if you're okay to drive.
Yes. I live around the
I got you,
corner.
but left foot on the line. Right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Like this, like I'm doing right now. Touching heel to toe, so basically they're both touching. Then put your hands to your sides. And do not move in the position until you do so. So stay in that position, don't move from position until you do so. Do not start exercises until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? So I don't want you to start until I tell you to do so. So when I say start, you're going to do a series of 9 steps on the line, heel to toe. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. I stop at 3, but you get to 9. When you get to your 9th step, you do a series of small steps with your back foot, leaving your front foot planted down. And then you're going to do a series of 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3 until you get to 9. Once you start, do not stop. And make sure you count each step out loud.
1.
Do you understand?
Yes.
I didn't tell you to start yet. Are you ready? You understand?
Yes.
Alright, you start.
1, 2, 3. Four. Come on.
Are you done?
I did it, but now you made me mess up.
Now that I make you mess up, I didn't say a word.
Well, you said 3, and now it's 4.
Yeah, I said get to 9 steps, 9 steps back.
Oh, hold on. You didn't say 9 steps.
Are you done?
Yeah, like I did it.
Alright. So we'll go back to the line again, on the front of the line. For this exercise, I'm going to put both feet together on the line. And your hands to your sides. It's like I'm doing right now, like this. Feet together. Closer together. Alright, put your hands together on the sides. Stay in that position until you move from that position. Do you understand? This exercise, you're gonna pick whichever foot you feel more comfortable. You're gonna lift it 6 inches above the ground. You're gonna pad the foot parallel to the ground.
Alright, well, hold on. Like, I have medical issues. Like,
What medical should you have?
I have surgery on my feet. I have
Which foot?
surgery on my knees. On this foot and this foot, I got ran over by a forklift. So, like, my balance is not on point.
Balance is on point.
Yeah, like I got ran over by a forklift. My bones are jacked up, and you know, just letting you know, like I don't want you to
Are you
think.
able to do that exercise, or you're not able to do it?
I'm gonna try to do it, but I'm saying like
I got you.
I have issues with my feet.
I got you. But I asked you if you have any injuries or anything. You said no, I have no issues at all.
No, I don't.
Yeah, all right. Just put it. All right, you know. So basically, put your feet together, hands to your sides, on the line. The exercise, you're gonna pick whichever foot you're more comfortable with. You're gonna lift it 6 inches above the ground, parallel to the ground. You're gonna look at that foot and count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003.
I don't think I could do that.
You say you can't do it?
No, like I have issues with my feet.
Like
I'll
so you
try
can't
to.
do it.
No, I'm not refusing. I'm just saying.
I'm not saying you refuse. I'm just saying you can't do it.
Like yeah, like I have issues with my feet. Like I can't.
You can't?
Nah, bro. Like
I got you.
I have issues with my feet.
I got you. No problem. All right. So basically, from what I'm seeing, the exercise and everything, and the way you are, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. Do you mind holding this arm? I need 2 handcuffs on you, please. Let's grab that one. It's not that, it's the totality of everything that I've seen.
I'm around the corner from my house when I breathe. Like
This guy's big wrist.
I'll start your co-inventory. No problem.
This is over there, a block away. Yeah. You take your arm this way there.
Where are your people at?
like literally down the street.
You give me a phone number, I'll call one time. And if they come, they come. Are you the registered owner?
Yeah.
Okay. Do they speak English?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the phone number? Are you okay with somebody come picking a car?
There's like a bottle in there.
Yeah, he put it in the back seat.
Put it in the back seat.
Yeah.
I'm bringing it to my car.
You want it for your evidence? The bottle?
I see like a picture of it.
My mom's the next cop. Like I don't know.
On this side. Opposite. There you go. I already passed all that.
You want to take a picture of this? Empty. We'll just throw it away then. Let me get some of the contacts.
Take a seat.
The investigation ended with the suspect being arrested and charged with DUI. Inside the vehicle, officers also located an empty bottle of Johnny Walker Red Label. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.